Wait, actually, what part is this again?
4, I think.
Part
Four.
4. This is part 4, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the 4th part of our amazing adventure.
So we just got raided.
Yeah, we got raided off camera, but everything's fine. I think.
I need one mob.
Kevin and Virginia are still alive, so we're good. Just making sure there's nothing really broken.
Landon, come over here.
I thought it was Kevin.
There's
Kevin,
Kevin and
Kelvin.
Virginia.
Oh.
Kelvin.
Oh,
All the
did I
same
say
guy.
Kevin?
I said Kevin.
Oh. Yeah, it's Kelvin. We call him Clevin when he's being bad, but he's being good, so. Hi.
Start filling in all the
Please
holes.
don't hurt me. Wait, what are you doing?
We're filling these in because now we have an entryway that they may not be able to get in because that is still a way in for them.
What? Hmm.
One
Hey,
way
Kelvin.
in, one way out.
You feeling bad about this too?
Oh wait, how's Kelvin supposed to get back? Oh crap.
Guys, I got the
Exactly.
achievement city planner, 1,000.
I know, right? It's always that way. I don't know why. Maybe they can hear us.
Like Akinator.
You can hear me suck Evan's dick.
Here's people.
Whoa! You know it's still recording.
Oh,
We're gonna have
oops.
to cut this part out, you know, alright?
What?
Because Sydney's not even here.
Sydney doesn't care. He'll upload
Yeah,
anything.
Sid, guess what I said to Virginia? I asked Virginia, is Evan stinky, right? Or does he stink? And guess what she did?
How? What the hell? I didn't even touch it. What'd she say?
So she gave me a thumbs up. The next time I asked her again, and then right as Evan walked by, she plugged her nose.
That's not what happened.
Yes, it is.
I believe
He's
it.
bending the truth. He's
Virginia,
manipulating you,
Spending
Sydney.
what truth?
Virginia, is Evan stinky? She plugged her nose. She plugged her nose again.
No,
I've-
she didn't.
I've never seen her plug
Yes,
her
she
nose.
did. She plugged.
Virginia, is Evan stinky?
Exactly.
Yeah, hold out your walkie.
Oh.
Evan, can we tell,
Bro,
tell
Evan
Sydney
killed
what
me.
happened?
Huh?
And you're dead.
Now she's scared to say anything because Evan's gonna kill her.
What Evan called
Watch
Virginia?
this. Okay.
I mean, not Evan.
Virginia,
but
is
Hayden
Evan
called
stinky
Virginia.
or does he stink?
What do you call her?
He
Virginia,
called her Virginia.
Virginia,
Vagina?
is Evan stinky or does he stink?
Virginia.
Virginia.
Fuck.
Get away from her! He's dead. Oh, he dropped a sack.
Dropped the sack.
Oh, so did he.
That's so wrong out of context.
Now his balls just dropped.
Now watch this guy though. I think he just gets tortured.
Jesus. Look at his face. It's ugly as hell.
Oof.
It's uglier than me. And I was saying something.
Did we get attacked?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I'm guessing
Oh, what was
means
that?
no.
What was that laugh? Did you hear that?
Oh, there's another
Hayden
sack.
is still laughing.
I found 3 sacks so far.
Yeah, we still got attacked, Evan.
Oh, you did?
Mhm. Don't worry, they're dead.
How the
No, I think I know what's going on. I think they normally. I think if they see one of us stop moving, they know we're AFK. They know somebody's AFK. It has to be something like that.
You'd think, yeah. I got some pizza. Ow!
Lucky.
It's homemade pizza, too.
Ugh. Love.
Is it good homemade pizza?
Not good.
Okay, it is good.
How does a repair tool even repair it?
It's smacked and boom, repaired.
I'm gone.
I accidentally hit everyone with a log when it's going.
Whoa, what? I'm dead.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
he
accidentally hit you.
died, bro.
What
I
the
accidentally
fuck?
hit you with
No,
a
no, he's
ball.
actually dead though. Like he didn't. He
You
didn't.
spawned over there.
Yeah.
Guys.
Hey, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Hey, no, Sydney.
No, you can't have it.
We need to duplicate.
Then go get it.
Ah!
What?
Oh, Virginia's keeping watch
Who
now.
get
Guys,
raided
just-
again?
Oh God!
Getting raided. Lance off the trap.
It's what you
Shot him
fucking
in the.
deserve.
Shot him in
Oh
the
my
head.
god, who is that guy?
Watch out, there's another guy.
Is he burning? He's burning.
Yeah.
My arrow. Give me my arrow. Haha.
Oh, there's an ogre. Oh, he just backed me into a corner.
I'm shooting him. Oh, headshot.
He wants you.
Die, bitch. You deserve.
Give me my arrow back. Hey, I said give me my arrow back, not beat me. I mean, I appreciate it, but like, not that much.
Go!
I think he died.
Watch out.
What? Oh,
Guy
oh.
inside.
Oh, wait. Landon, I didn't even notice you were
I'm
dead
gonna
there.
B-slide.
Ah!
It's B-slide.
I'm beating with my bone. Wait.
Guys, it's time to B-slide. Nope, it's not time to B-slide. Okay, now it's time to B-slide.
You over here, bitch. Hey,
Wait,
yeah,
you
you
can't
keep chasing
B-slide.
him.
Yeah, I think they fixed it.
Nope, you can still B-slide. Oh my god, there I go. But I'm fine. Wait, I'm actually fine though. I didn't take any damage.
Yeah, it's because it's like almost like it
Stop
thinks
hitting
you're
me.
on a sled almost. Something like that. I just used
Sorry,
my
there
sled
is
to get
another
down.
guy going towards you.
How'd he
No,
get
it's
through the
because they're
traps?
cheap.
Hit me.
They're cheap.
Sorry.
You don't have to
Because
get
it wasn't set.
I chopped his head off
What
and
is
it
Oh,
went
that?
flying.
no, somebody else died.
Bro, I just chopped his head off.
Okay, we're
You almost
fine.
chopped
Oh,
my head
sick.
off.
Glove.
One man made it across the water.
Anyone else get a head from that fight?
I did.
Nope.
No, let's put it over here.
What?
Right on the stick. I put one on that
that's a
stick.
rock.
Hayden, where are you? There you are. Hayden, right here. Put it on this one. Look at that.
Can we please sleep now?
Ailment. Oh, I know what to do.
Guys, I don't think
Oh,
he knows
no.
how to sit on a trail.
Why are you saying, oh no? What's wrong, Bradley?
I don't know.
I don't think he knows
I
how
was
to
thinking
sit on
something bad.
You're thinking something bad?
Yeah.
Stop thinking it.
Ma'am, are you okay? She's panting like really heavily.
it. I don't
She's
think he
panting
knows
like
how
a
to
dog?
sit on a trail, though.
Hey,
No, she's-
do not call
fine.
women dog.
No, I was
That is-
asking if
That is
no,
sexist.
no, because Evan's basically saying that that she's panting.
Don't
That
fight
doesn't
him.
mean. Oh my god, you a
Doesn't mean she's a
racist.
dog.
You a racist. Bradley's a racist.
He's laughing about that, boy.
Oh my god.
Okay,
I know,
Landon, what's the whole backstory on your username, We Like Stuff?
It was our dad's
Oh.
account.
It's our dad's email.
We
That's
Like
just the name.
Stuff.
It's just the email. I didn't change
What kind
my
of stuff?
Name. I probably
you
could change it.
don't want to know.
Bradley?
I mean,
Shut
what's the
the
name
fuck
behind
up.
your username?
Yeah, Buffalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The nickname his mom used to call him.
Oh.
What?
It's the nickname your mom used to call you?
What?
Bubbaloo?
Yeah, that's her nickname for me.
Oh, Bubbaloo.
That's
I got a
my
fish.
name.
Bubbaloo.
Ah, laggy.
Hey, Cindy, I got another planter.
The water makes my recording lag a lot.
And don't go in the water.
But I want to catch
Wait,
fish.
did it change my name?
Fish.
No, it's still We Like Stuff.
Fish. Okay, yeah, get away from the water. Run.
Perfect
Right.
score.
Let's see if I can hit Virginia from here. Oh god, cannibals. Jeez, I knew those guys came out of nowhere. Do
Of
something,
course,
my
right
boys.
when Landon gets off. What's the timing for that?
I hit one
And
with my
Evan's not
spear.
here.
Ah, there's a
Evan's
lot of
running
them.
back. Virginia's running back.
Ah! Ah!
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Just die already, finally.
Did you kill them all?
Nah. Killed a couple though. I've just been shooting them over and over again. It really worked. Oh, don't look at me. I know I threw a spear. I know I threw a spear into your chest, but please, we can talk about this. Fuck you. Fuck you. Die, bitch. Oh yeah, he dead. He dead. Yeah. Heh. Oh.
He's drifting.
Shot in the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a
You
bad
give love
name.
a bad name.
Yeah.
I give love a bad name.
Shot in the heart. And you're
To blame.
and then you give
Bradley shot
bad
me in the
name.
heart, and he's to blame. He gave me a bad name. Yeah.
Yeah, he called
What?
you poopy.
Poppy.
Yeah, he called me a poopy head.
Poppy is a bad name.
What the? Get her! Oh, she's taking a bath. Hey Evan.
Why are
Hey,
you walking
Evan.
towards me?
Hey Evan.
What?
Hi.
Guys, now
What?
what's my name?
Guess
I
what?
wasn't doing anything. Hey, ah!
Chicken butt.
Oh, you
One
motherfucker! I'm gonna
second,
kill you.
Guys, what's my name now?
It's K.
Yeah, it's crazy weird now.
Yes, I changed
Yeah, it said crazy wordio or wordio.
Where
Yeah,
do you-
was now on
changed it.
the forest.
Oh yeah. Full
Is that
car,
my spear?
full car.
I'm a check.
No, it's not. It's
I should
mine.
have 3. I do have, in fact, have 3.
I know.
Cut
we
in
gotta
the
plan-
spleen.
And
And
In your tube
nice.
gleam.
And your
you
tube
gave
bleed.
me
A
chlamydia.
hernia.
I have a
Okay.
rock.
Bum, bum, do up, bum,
Bum.
bum,
Bum.
wah, 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 bum.
Bum.
Oh wait, this My Singing Monsters sound isn't copyrighted, right? I mean, it's a game, so it's not, right?
I don't know.
Me know this stuff.
Eh, whatever. Bum,
Bum.
bum, bum,
Bum.
do up,
Bum.
bum, wah, wah,
Bradley,
wah,
shut
wah,
up.
wah,
You don't know
bum.
how this goes.
Yeah, what are you even doing? You're just going.
I don't know.
Bum,
I actually played my
bum, bum, do up, bum, bum, wah, 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 bum.
Have you ever played My Singing Monsters?
Yes, I have it on my my computer. I should make a video on it. My Singing Monsters Let's Play, baby. Oh yeah. Die, spider. Die. I can't kill a spider.
How much blueberries do we have, guys?
I don't know.
Oh, I have like 20.
I
me
have
check.
lots of blueberry seeds.
I have 15 and I have 10 blueberry seeds.
There's a planter that's ready that you can
Nah,
use.
fuck your planet, man.
You put the blueberries in there.
I ain't giving you shit. Also, you
so
put
then
the
we
seeds.
can have infinite.
Also, you put the seeds in. Man, shut your stupid ass up.
Okay, I planted
These are
them.
my seeds.
Then what are you gonna use them for?
My seeds, my rules. What am I gonna use them for? Oh, I'll show you what I'm gonna use them for. I'm gonna shove them down your hairy ass, stupid ass mouth.
Wait, why would his mouth be hairy?
Cause he grows hair in his mouth.
Ew.
It's a rare medical condition that only Hayden has. Isn't that right, Hayden? Right, Hayden?
Why is there a sea?
I wish you could chop up the logs.
Bum. Bum bum do up. Bum. Bum wow 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 bum.
Do
Bum bum do
do
up. Bum.
do
Bum do
do
up. Sorry.
Lord.
Sorry, that was my dog. My dog
What?
stole my mic.
and your heart.
My dog did not steal my heart.
Tank,
It-
he's the cutest.
He didn't. Nah, you're making it sound weird. Is what I'm saying.
Oh,
Yeah.
You made it sound
Uh,
very weird.
oh,
Why can't I?
Mate,
Sorry.
Tank, and Angie. I love them. They're so cute. But I do not love them like that.
I
Okay?
didn't even mean it like that.
It sounded like you meant it like that.
Hell nah.
Oh God, they creepy. Virginia, run! Virginia is running. Hey, Kelvin. Kelvin doesn't do anything anymore. He just gets to chill out with us. We don't even need him.
Because he's locked inside.
Oh, poor Kelvin.
Nah, I think he's having the time of his life. He doesn't have to do shit.
Where
Oh,
are the
big man.
creepy guys?
Big man. Calm down.
Yes.
I shot him in the heart, and I'm to blame.
Did you give love a bad name though?
I don't know.
Meat pouch.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Watch out!
Ow!
I already started throwing it, I swear. Oh my... My boy. Calm down. Wait, where are the arrows? Does this guy have the arrows in him? Somebody stole my arrows. They're in one of the red men. My arrows were in the red men. Who stole the red men arrows? Who stole the red men arrows?
Oh, they're right here.
Oh. What's that boy doing? Why do you keep chopping these guys up? You can't even use them.
Yeah, I know, Virginia. There's a person over there. There's also a person that escaped me.
Hi, Virginia.
Everybody is a hero. What was? Alright, so it was. Everyone needs a person they look up to. Positive.
No, everyone on Earth needs a person to look up to. Positive.
Positive.
Nobody shouldn't have somebody they look up to.
I need to write down these verses so I can sing them.
Uh,
Everybody on Earth
positive.
has someone. Everybody on Earth has someone to look up to.
Positive.
Nobody shouldn't have somebody they look up to. Logan
You
Zakareski is the
got-
person I look up to. He was really kind, so I went and wrote a song, or no, I went and wrote a ditty about him 2 times.
Yeah,
That
we
is
got
W.
it.
Alright. Wait, I'm gonna. Everybody on Earth has someone to look up to.
Correct. Positive. Restart it.
Everybody on Earth has someone to look up to.
Positive.
Nobody shouldn't have somebody to look up to.
Good night. Bye. Whatever.
Good night. Logan Zakareski is the person I look up to. Heaven.
What?
Alright. Everybody on Earth has someone they look up to.
Positive.
Nobody shouldn't have somebody looked up to. Logan
Yeah, we got-
Logan Zakareski is the person I look up to. He is really kind, so I went and wrote a ditty about him 2 times. Oh yeah,
There we go.
W.
I have 4
Why do
skin
I have a notes about Hayden's calves?
Sydney, you're not
And
coming
we're
towards-
getting raided. We're getting raided.
Well then, hop off.
They're still gonna be here.
Yeah, they're still gonna attack. Dude, we're too far away.
Yeah, I can't do
I'm gonna
anything.
I
I'm on
can
the top.
I can sled down. You know,
And there's a big boy.
I'm sledding down.
Here, I'm being down.
Woo! I hit a tree. God
So
damn.
did I.
I didn't stop.
fine.
I just stopped though. And I hit a rock. Oh my. This is not very.
I'm being.
There's two big boys.
This isn't very cash money of me.
I'm being.
Yes. Didn't get to make it in. Oh no. Where's the other big guy?
I'm coming.
I'm
What are
also
you
coming.
doing? Oh. Great. He's inside the tower.
I see some of them.
What?
Virginia came all the way over here just to point. Here, I got him. I got him. Move. What? I can't move. I can't move. Oh my god. That was
in
a
there?
huge amount of...
Okay, was I late to the party?
You're late to the party.
Damn. Okay. Well, I guess let's get going again.
I'm gonna need somebody to revive me.
What?
Let's set up the traps with Hayden, I guess, real quick. Wait, am I on fire? Oh god, I'm on fire.
Watch out. Watch out.
You've trapped me.
Move. Go this way. Go towards me.
Yeah, see. And we should set up some logs. Wait, someone do the duplication glitch.
Fuck.
Someone do the duplication glitch.
Okay.
I have some good ideas.
And then just wall that area in or something.
Yeah, and then there's gonna be like there's gonna be like a couple logs missing, so they can get in. So they're gonna try to get through.
But then we're gonna put more fire.
Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of fire. They're gonna have some trouble. There we go. Oh, was that my boy Kelvin? Oh no, it wasn't my
Oh.
boy Kelvin. It's one of them.
Dude, you killed her. You killed her.
I didn't. The guy did.
No, you did.
I didn't. She was already on the floor and stared at that.
I was so confused when I think some of them are outside. How'd they get through? Wait, how did they get through?
It just glitched
Just
through.
find it.
Oh,
So they glitched through and then fought.
of course.
Ouch.
Oh, it might be this rock area, cause like there's like that little spot there. Maybe we should layer this part of the wall up a little bit.
Somebody shoot that guy.
Which guy?
It's right here.
Where? Oh,
Oh, he's gone.
he's dead.
There's more.
His leg go.
Guys, I'm stuck. No.
I'm trying to chop his leg off. Oh, the leg disappeared. God damn. I'm hungry, man.
There's another guy over here.
Where? Oh, I see you.
Oh, please let me place it, not duplicate glitch. I don't want to duplicate glitch. Now. Just let me place it normally.
No.
There we
No.
go.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Ah, She's got a gun.
Oh, you know who else has a gun? Bitch.
I'm gonna cook my fish and then I'm gonna.
No, wait, no, I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Oh god, I scared her.
She's going into the burning ring of fire.
Get back here, bitch!
Hey, don't be so mean. Fine then, I'm gonna push you into these.
Shoot your face off. Hey, wait, we can talk about this. No, no, no! You can't put it. No! No! Go here, bitch.
What is that?
It's a gun.
No, this.
Oh, it's a tiny spike. You like it?
Oh, I thought it was a dildo.
What the What's that?
What?
Evan, you have a really dirty mind. Like, that's bad, bro.
My question is, how do they keep having so many cannibals?
By now, we've probably eaten their entire population.
Tell me about it. Probably killed all of them. There's no way there's more than that on the island. We probably killed over 200. I think they just reproduced. like
Guys,
that.
I completed your stupid trap.
I think
They reproduce
that's-
asexually.
No, get out of
That's how they keep coming back with more.
And the
It's
other
always
one.
it's always the one guy who gets away. It makes more.
You know what I think should be the case for this game?
Huh.
I think, when you drink soda, you know how it fills your sleep meter?
Yeah.
I think when you drink soda and it fills the sleep meter, it should die down faster than when you sleep with the sleep.
Well, I'm not complaining, so.
But no, that's just an idea to make it, you know, more realistic.
I don't like realistic. If they do that, I will hate realism. Actually, I already do. Not in games. Games are cool. But I hate realism in real life.
Huh?
The forest. You know, this kind of makes me think of, I've actually never watched this movie, but I've heard about the plot. So I might be completely wrong here. But, you ever heard of The Hills Have Eyes? I've heard it's about, like, cannibals in the hills.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So, it's kind of like that in a way, if I've never actually watched it, but... Dude, whenever I heard the name of that movie, I always thought it was, like, actual, like, hills with eyes, and my imagination would go wild.
Yeah.
I still have the image in my head of hills with eyes. And it is not a pleasant picture. But it's creepy. Ooh, this is pretty.
Okay. No, we gotta get to the other
Whoa,
side of
look at
that
this.
peak right there.
No, look at this.
Oh, I got a screenshot
That
that
is
with you
pretty.
in it. No, I got a screenshot it with you in it. That actually looks sick. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
I took a
Stay there.
screenshot too.
Okay. That was cool.
Can you send me it?
Okay, can you take one of me?
Oh, that is sick. You want like this? I'm gonna like get like right behind you.
No, because then it shows my
Oh,
name
yeah.
tag.
Yeah, you're right.
So you gotta back up a bit.
I gotta back up a lot because I can still see your name tag and I'm all the way back here. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, wait. I'm also gonna send you a Snapchat picture.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
I love the snow physics. It's
Yeah.
like super laggy for the recording though, so we should probably get out of the snow as soon as possible.
Oh yeah, we just gotta make it up over that peak, which should only take a couple of minutes.
Yeah, it's not too
And then,
laggy.
and then we can
Yeah.
sled down to the other side of them.
Wait, can we still sled with turtle shells? No, you can't.
I don't know.
That's sad. I love sledding with the turtle shell. What do you use it for then? That's
I don't
weird.
know. Maybe as a shield. Here, let me try hitting you. Wait.
Oh, okay. I don't
Equip.
know. Nope.
No.
What do you use it for then?
Fishes are cooked,
Yes.
but only eat as much as you need.
Yeah. I need to drink some flask.
I gotta drink a bit of flask.
Yeah. Alright, let's go, baby. Let's
We're
go,
good?
baby. Yeah.
Covered in snow, covered in snow.
Oh, yeah. Ugh. Mm. It's like melts in the snow. Ah! No!
We're not going in here.
Oh, this one's not blocked off, though. The blocked off ones are the bad ones.
Oh.
Oh, look at this!
Oh, it's not even a cave, it's just a cave.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Ow. Money.
Rope and canned food.
Ow.
Sorry, I have a big axe.
Oh, that was rope. I thought that was a baseball bat. I actually have to take pills. Good thing I have a lot of them.
Yeah, good. Good thing. I have 5.
I had 6. Now I have 5.
Yeah, we should always check the caves, because they might not be the blocked off ones. The ones that have boards over them are the bad ones.
Okay, wait for me, wait for
No.
me.
I don't want you. You're mean to me.
Okay. Let's go.
There's another cave in this direction, yeah. Oh, we haven't gone to that little blip thing. Whatever. Oh, stick. I want a
What?
stick.
Where?
This one's to the right. But we should definitely go to this, the middle of the mountains first.
Just walk up a 90-degree vertical angle real quick.
Yeah, I got you.
Or actually jump. You gotta
Ugh.
jump a bit.
Ugh, I'll help you up. Jump on my head.
I'm jumping.
Okay, maybe we might have to go around a little bit.
Never.
Okay, you have fun.
Okay, yeah, we do.
Hey, let's go water. Let's check out this cave. Is it a good cave? Is it a bad cave? It's a good cave, I think. Yes. Seems to be.
Wait,
Ooh,
Sydney,
very
wait
good
up.
cave. No,
Wait up.
never. Vodka. I found vodka.
I got
I'm finding a
points
lot
of
of canned food.
Yeah.
Cloth. Alright, good. I like that. I like that a lot. I don't even have a can opener though, that's the sad part.
Vodka.
Vodka. Can you do a Russian accent? Because I don't even know if I can. It just sounds like I am to me, but I'm probably doing it wrong.
Vodka. There's nothing much better than water, except the vodka.
Save.
Save, yeah, save. Okay, ready?
3,
3,
2, 1.
1.
Whee!
Slide.
Oh my, oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh,
Trees!
trees! Oh,
I
I got stuck on a tree. Damn it, they're always, my fun's always ruined by trees. Whee! And rocks. Ow. Imagine being able to sled like that in real life without breaking your ass.
I'm sliding.
I did like a little tiny ramp jump at the park and fucking hurt my tailbone so bad. I was like
Damn.
sitting down there for a while just because it hurt so much. I was like 12, 13.
Damn.
I was probably more around 13. Oh my god! Oh my! I was dodging so many trees just then. Ah!
I slid into the water. Shit.
Ah! Stay alive, stay alive. Stay alive.
Oh, I found some blackberries.
Oh, you're really close to the cave.
I know.
I know. My hand, it's just my hand touching a wall. That's all I see right now. Oh, there we go.
Canoe.
Oh my god, this is so laggy. It's probably because it's generating a whole new area. Whoa.
Hello.
This is kind of scary.
Ammo. There's a lot of ammo.
How much?
Okay. No, there was only one box,
Oh.
but it looked like 2.
Damn. I mean, it's still ammo though. Like,
It's
I am happy about that. Yeah, this is a good cave.
Oh,
Ow.
I'm sorry.
You hurted me. Oh, hi. Where are we?
I don't know.
Oh, some boxes here. We haven't been here before. Maybe this is a good thing. Dude, like, once they get stronger, I used to be really good at melee against them, but, like, I think it's because, like, how the game lags a lot when I'm fighting. But I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, this seems fun.
What is this? Wait for me, Evan. Oh. Oh.
Staircase.
Should I get out my
Up or
flashlight?
down?
I
Up or
want to go
down?
down.
Downy.
Oh, key card. Never mind, we're going up.
We're going uppy.
Uppy, uppy. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, oh, we can go uppy up here. We're gonna need to get a, oh. Fun. We're gonna need to get a key card so we can come back to all these places. But where do we get a key card?
Well, this was boring.
Yeah,
There's
there's
not even
nothing
any
here.
loot.
I mean, at least we know it's here. Oh, there's some stuff here.
Like, there's rocks.
Rocks. Who doesn't love a good rock? Oh wait, that's also copyrighted. God damn.
How are we gonna get back up? Oh, okay.
Go.
Ain't
What
no
the
way.
fuck is that thing? Do you see that shit?
No.
It was like one of those crawly guys. Oh shit!
Where? Oh,
Right there. But he had like
Hi.
horns.
get ready. Oh.
Chop the tree down.
Yeah, chop the tree.
Flag. Should we stop chopping the tree down?
No.
Nah, he's still on the tree. Oh god. And he jumped to a different tree. What the fuck? Fuck you, bitch. Why are these little guys wearing armor now? At least it makes it more obvious. Oh my god, I think you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think
sorry.
you
I'm
just
sorry.
did all that damage. He hit me like once, and
Get
then you
back
hit me
here.
like 10 times.
Bad berry. Twin berries.
Oh, that's a moose. Should I shoot it?
Yeah.
No,
Shoot
nah, I'm
the
gonna
moose.
shoot it with my axe. Axe attack! Whoa! Fuck you, bitch! Oh my god, they run fast.
I know, right? Okay, wait. No, we're running back towards
Where'd
the
you
camp.
go? Yeah, I was gonna say that. Okay, so
We wanna go. We wanna go this way.
this way, way out, because there's a blippy over here that we haven't gone to.
Yeah, that's the way I'm going.
Oh yeah, we're both so smart. Evan's a genius. I'm a genius. Oh, berries? What kind of berries? Oh, the yummy kinds. The twin berries. I love these kinds. Oh,
Eat them.
these are flowers. Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna slide down.
wait for me. I want to slide too. I want to slide. I want to slide. Wait for me, bitch. I'll kill you.
Whee!
Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill him. Ow. I already hit a tree.
God, I'm already going so off course.
I don't wanna go to sleep. No, next day. Wait, that's all. I keep singing, but it's like everything's copyright. So why am I singing? I should just sing my own made-up song.
Me and Evan walking through a forest,
Ooh.
picking berries and killing cannibals. When all of a sudden we saw Hannibal Lecter.
I just
Oh,
got
are you ready
hit.
for the ultimate sled?
Wait for me, man. Wait. I need to slide with you. Also, I'm being chased by a munchie man. He's trying to munch at me. He's trying to munch on my leg. He's gonna claw my leg. Wait, I'm here. Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Go!
go! Wait, shit.
What? I ran right into a fucking tree. Oh god. Lagging this. Ah.
Here I go.
Yay.
Bye, Sydney. I'm going down the river.
Same. Oh no. I'm stuck.
Yeah, so.
Ah, lag. Wee. Hi, Evan.
Ah, there's a cannibal.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, I hit a freaking rock. I hate rocks. Wait. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, where is he? It's too dark. No, I swear.
Okay, sleep, 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 quick.
Hurry. Oh god, it won't let me. It won't let me. It actually won't let me. Okay, there.
How's it still night?
It's daytime, what?
Nah, that's night.
Yeah, that's daytime.
Jesus Christ, my eyes just got violated. Yes, it is now daytime.
Wait, get my axe out, bro. Where'd
Here,
he go?
take your tarp. Take
Bro
your tarp.
stole my shit, bro. Where? I don't even see it. Oh, there it is.
It's right here. Now we gotta go.
Alright, now go. Go, go, go. I hate the brown muddy men.
I know, right?
I need to
It
back
actually
in.
kind of looks like our base, doesn't it?
Not really, but okay.
Well, like, I meant before we
were
chopped
you?
down everything at it.
Said, oh my god. Okay,
I
yeah.
gotta-
Oh, do they have the they have a mutant tied up, it looks like. Molotov or explosion? I'm thinking explosion.
Yeah, I'm going with a grenade.
Same. Throw yours at that brute over there. I'm thinking. Oh my god, they have 3 of them tied up. Oh, I gotta get this finger man with the grenade because. Oh
Bitch.
god, that explosion was short, but it still got him.
Oh god, he's pointing at me.
Dude, no, I was too short. Oh god, he's pointing at me too. Well, this one is. No, 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 no.
Oh, mine's dead.
Back
Mine's
off,
dead.
motherfucker.
Oh, this was a gold-face brute
Hey.
too.
Hey, calm down, man, calm. Fuck, shit.
Oh
Calm
my
the-
god, you're being absolutely butt-fucked.
Oh my god. Whoa.
They have 2 mutants tied up.
Yeah, I killed one of them already. We can get a lot of shit out of that. Oh my god, he just kneed me in the fucking face. Sucker for punishment. Okay. Yeah, kill that brute. I shot him in the head. And I shot
Oh my
him.
god, there's a gold-face. There's a gold-face after me.
Yeah,
oh my God.
he's the one who killed me.
Up, go, 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 run.
I'm dead. I couldn't even run. Definitely
Get up
back
and
there.
run.
Okay, run.
He lifted up somebody.
Damn, I don't have any arrows. Oh wait, I have that kind of arrow, carbon fiber.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
Nice.
Okay. Just had to
What the?
impregnate him real quick.
What the fuck? Oh shit! He's dead.
Oh, headshot. Damn.
I love the headshots. It's so sick.
Bow.
Oh, I can't harvest them. Oh, I can. Never mind.
Mutant's dead.
Harvest this one with me.
Okay, I got some creepy armor probably.
Can I harvest this one too? Aw. Alright, we gotta harvest them together. Oh wait. No, don't. Did you just use your gun?
Yeah.
Oh god, there's a big boy running at us.
Oh yeah, that's the one that I was already fighting.
I got this.
He
Don't
probably,
worry.
he probably should be close to dead.
Oh shit! I missed my shot. No, I keep missing my shots. I'm gonna lose those now. You know, I'm switching to my axe. I can't lose anymore. Here, you come harvest this with me real quick.
Yeah.
Because I want both of us to get it. 3, 2, 1. Too bad we could have both gotten 3, but we still both got 2. So, well, those are dead sharks
Okay.
over there.
Where's the creepy armor? Okay, there it is.
That's probably a good idea to put it on right now, actually.
It is or isn't?
Is. God damn it, bro. Oh no.
Yeah, we want to avoid
we're
that.
being watched.
And they're telling everybody, so let's just run.
Yeah, run.
I drank some energy soda, so I'm good on stamina.
Yeah. I drank an energy, and I had an energy bar, and an oyster.
Oh, but there's cases here.
We need
There's
this.
so many.
Sneaky, sneaky. We're being so sneaky. Oh, look at those meds. I can use one of my meds now.
Oh yeah, I got meds too.
I have so
Oh
many.
yeah, I'm using one.
Oh. Even
I
more
love
meds. Why not? I'll just use more meds. Extra health.
I don't think
That
that's
guy's
how
just
it works.
That guy's just sitting in a chair. Oh, is that the golden one? That's the golden one. Dude, if I can throw a
The
Molotov,
golden one?
I think that's a golden one. I can't tell, but whatever. I'm
Okay,
gonna
you
throw a
have
Molotov.
fun with that. There's somebody right behind you.
That's a golden one, yeah.
There's somebody right behind you.
No, I keep opening up my fucking Steam thing because it's Shift Tab. Oh yeah, he's on fire, never mind. Oh god, there's another golden one. He's pointing at me. I don't like that. Yo, back off, fam.
Explode.
Oh, he's not a golden one, he's just a brute. Headshot.
And he's gone.
Nah, he's definitely not gone. They get up even after a headshot, because he's a brute. I missed my shot. I missed my shot again. I'm losing all my arrows. Oh my god. I have no arrows left. Give me that. Dude.
Bitch.
No, oh my god, dude.
Golden.
I literally just lost all my arrows because I have shit aim.
Boat motor. There's a boat motor.
But actually,
We can't let the brute get it. We can't grab it ourselves, but are you okay? We can't grab it ourselves, but
what's it for? How do we use it?
you can't
Then why? Then what is it for?
because the brutes can pick it up and kill you with it.
Oh shit. Owie! There. Ow, he stomped. He just broke all my armor because he stomped on me after that. Nah, I
Damn.
can't. You cannot get close to these guys. I swear.
Yeah, just run away. Just run away.
Nah, I can't though. He's just gonna keep chasing me.
After a while, he gets rid of you.
Nah, I shot him like a few times and I wasted a bunch of arrows because I lost them. Oh god. Back off, man. Back off. I don't want to deal with your shenanigans. Ow! Owie! Oh.
And
Thank
he's
God.
gone.
Oh my god, he's not
you can
gone.
have just have those arrows. Just have those
Okay,
arrows.
thank you. Ow, ow, oh god, that guy, the normal guy just killed me.
Whoa there, buckaroo. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good.
It's just that
Jesus Christ.
weirdo. Oh god, he got out.
And there's that guy
Perfect timing. But this is where he went.
too. Yeah, wait, no, that guy can't be killed with arrows.
I threw a spear into his stomach. It worked.
Yep.
He died. If he doesn't have
Okay.
any armor on, like their armor is what blocks the arrows. Here, come on, collect the creepy armor.
Ready, 3.
Oh, I already started.
Wait, I can't.
Wait. Oh no.
I got it. I got
Okay,
the option.
thank
we're good.
God.
We're good.
Thank goodness gracious.
Ugh, he is creepy.
Fuck you.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a mourner.
Oh, kill it. Never feel bad for the mourners. The mourners are.
And headshot.
Ooh.
That was an
I
easy
just got
headshot.
6 buckshot ammo.
Butt shot.
It's not the ammo we need right now, but it's ammo. Oh.
Slug.
Oh, it's slug. Never mind. It's not the. What is a slug?
It's a different type of gun.
Is it a shotgun?
I'm not too
Because
sure.
there's also the buckshot, which I know is a shotgun.
hmm
But it's like the same kind of case except it's yellow. Maybe it's a different type of ammo you can use for the shotgun.
I think it's a different gun.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm not well versed in the realm of guns, but from what I do know, I think
What are you talking about, bro? We're American. America.
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 Oh wait, yeah, here are the sharks. So yeah, the other camp's right there.
Yeah.
Here's the other camp.
Hope they didn't all spawn back in. Can we chop up the sharks?
Hopefully. Where are these? Nothing useful. Oh, meds and printer ink. I don't know if you want those meds or not, but they're there if you want it. Anything on the golf cart? Oh yeah, there's a crate.
It's a crate on this golf cart over here. Crunchy munchies, hell yeah.
Let's go. And there's a crate on this one too. Oh, there's an MRE on this one.
Oh, even more meds. I'm gonna eat both of them. What the hell is this? A flesh balloon?
Crunchy munchies. I cannot carry any more batteries.
Is there anything below? Let's find out.
Yeah, find out.
An orca.
There's an orca.
Nah.
Oh,
Help. Help.
why?
I can't
I
climb.
can't help.
I can't
So
climb.
just go to shore.
I don't want to. It's creepy down here. Rock. I collected an underwater rock.
Energy bar.
Boar.
Paper target? I got paper target.
Paper target. Oh, paper target.
Yeah, paper target.
Oh, wait. Can we practice shooting?
Probably.
Wait.
Hey, hold it in front of your head.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I want to see.
Oh, wait. Maybe you're supposed to
Wait.
place it on a tree. Aim practice. Gun.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, actually.
Gun.
Gun. Oh.
Wait,
Oh,
one of those
I got
is
a
mine.
better shot than you. Mine's in the one middle.
Ready? Ready? Okay, let me try. Don't shoot. Don't
Why are
shoot.
you
Ready?
holding your bow so weird? What the hell?
Oh, yeah.
Nah,
That was a
I
good
can get
one.
back. Hey,
Whoops.
bruh. It's
Whoops.
mine.
Here, I got it. I got it. Where is
That's-
it? Where is it?
It's on the right.
Oh, yep. There.
Okay, let me shoot it.
You're sussy, my wussy.
You know who else is sussy? Hayden.
Yeah.
He left us. That was mean.
He's a pretty big sus nugget.
What?
And fucking food.
Which I can't
Oh,
carry anymore.
there's a
of.
local.
Oh, fuck you. I fucking hate you.
I hate you.
Bitch. Bitch.
You
I hate
muddy
locals.
person. Okay,
Shit
let's
take.
continue.
I got a mushroom called shit take.
What? Where?
It's a mushroom.
Where?
Yeah, it's a mushroom.
Oh yeah.
Shit take.
Oh, shiitake. They're actually good to eat.
Oh.
Shiitake mushrooms.
I have a lot of them.
They're good to eat.
Or shiitake mushrooms. Or shit take. I'd rather call him shit take. Also, the squirrel is leading the way. He's very helpful.
It's Hayden's spirit.
He's like a little
It's
trail
the
guide.
essence of Hayden.
Oh, he's running the wrong way.
Bye. Nope, he's heading the right
Oh,
way.
he is. Oh, nope, he's leaving.
Bye.
Question mark.
Thanks for-
Aloe vera.
Where?
I eat it.
As you do. You just accidentally eat some aloe vera. Yep, yep.
I didn't actually eat it. I consumed it into my bag.
Ah. You turned
That sounds
your
intriguing.
bag into a black hole and then...
I
Eat it.
gotta go left.
No. Oh wait, there's something here.
Pacific Ocean.
There's a
It's a golf course.
flag. Oh!
They didn't dig out the hole.
Wanna play a game of golf?
Sure. What is
Okay.
wrong with your arms, bro?
Okay, I have it. And
Oh my god! There's a cannibal behind you. There's a cannibal behind you.
it's fine.
Nah, they're about to attack.
Oh my god, what is wrong? What?
You saw the other picture I took?
Hayden texted you. He said, or messaged the group chat. He said, "How's the base?"
Oh, I don't know. We haven't been back. Oh god, lag.
Yeah,
I can't see. Ah,
you gotta tell him that. You gotta tell him that we haven't been back.
I can't tell him right now. I just gave my eyes a seizure.
Here, I'm going to set up a tarp.
Okay. I'm going to start cooking these.
What's goody, mate? It's goody, my game.
Is the Whopper song copyrighted?
I don't know.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple.
Oh no, that's an edit. So no, that's not copyrighted.
Oh no, that's the wrong version. Yeah. I'm gonna sing it fast. Whopper,
You want sleep or no?
Whopper, Whopper, yes. Whopper, Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Frank will taste with perfect. First, I rule this day. BK. Have
And make
it
sure to
your
save.
way. Oh, that lady's creeping up on us.
Save.
I am.
She.
Yay.
Where is she?
Over there.
Where is she?
She's
Can I have
hopping around.
this?
Oh god.
Can I have this
Yeah,
leg?
sure, I guess. Oh, this is a man.
Ah.
Where'd the lady go?
What? I just. No, I want to eat. Jesus Christ.
Wait. Be a very loud right now.
Oh, here's the guy. He's not in. Oh, that's just a guy. It's wrong. It's wrong. He's back. Yes,
Thanks for ammo. Oh, you dead? I think I died. Damn, I think you dead. Oh, so I'm gonna
Okay, unfortunate.
Let's go.
Okay, next stream we find I gotta fill up my flask. Fuck did that arrow
Alright, well,
go?
You know, I think this is gonna be the end of the video.
It's a stick, not an arrow.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
We might play a little bit off camera, but yeah, we'll see.